gosh, I sure am bored right now. I wonder what to do. What should I do? Aha! I know. I'm gonna try to go outside and take a little walk. That's what I'll do. But first, I have to go ask US. Hey, USA?
Oh, hi, Jenna. Scared me. Anyways, what do you want?
I was wondering, can I go for a walk outside?
Sure. But are you sure you're gonna cause trouble?
What? Me? No. I just want to go for a walk outside.
Oh, okay. But try to be on your best behavior, okay? Because if you don't, you'll be grounded. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't come back too late.
I won't.
When China got outside...
Ooh, a truck. I wonder what that does. Maybe I should take it. Wait, before I do, I have to make sure no one is watching. I guess not. I'll be taking it.
A few minutes later... Hey guys, wanna ride our little red truck? Sure. Sure, why not? I'd love to. Alright, let's go. On with you, Brazil.
Me too.
Me three. Huh? That's strange. Where'd it go? It was here like a few minutes ago. I don't know, Brazil. I don't know where it could be.
Me neither.
Me neither. We'll just have to go see. Meanwhile, back with China.
This is so fun.
Hold it right there. Huh?
Huh?
What do you think you're doing?
Oh, hi Brazil. Hi Suriname. Hi Bolivia. Hi Uruguay. What are you four doing here?
Hey, is that our red truck?
No. It's mine now.
No, it's not. You just hijacked my car, hijacked our truck?
What? How could this be your this is not your truck. This is mine. It matches the same color as me. Oh, really? How could you know? I just found it.
Russia. How dare you hijack our truck? You know very well it's never okay to steal others' belongings. That's it. Get off the truck right now. This is ours. Yeah, go home right now while we call China about this.
Great. Here we go again.
Oh, sorry, guys. You want to go riding in our truck? Sure.
Uh-huh.
Of course. Let's go. Ready? Ready! Then let's go. When China got home... China! How dare you hijack the South American's truck. You know very well that it is never okay to steal other people's belongings. That's it. You are grounded for 4 weeks, And you ain't playing any video games or hanging out with Russia during that time. Go to your room right now.
Fine. Screw you, USA.